Tired of clicking Generate 100 times?
Meet the solution. We're talking about DRTE's Mass Merge and bulk document generation. The best part? It works natively right here, inside your Salesforce List Views. Isn't that cool? But hold on. Before we fire off 1,000 documents, let's quickly confirm the source of our document content. We're navigating into the DRTE document template record. This is where your document layout and all those essential merge fields live. We'll use the document preview function for a quick check. Yep, everything looks perfect, the data is pulling correctly, and the template is ready to deploy. Now, let's get back to that list view and generate some documents in bulk. For this example, we've created a list view filtering for all open invoices. And look at that, we have 23 records ready to go. These are 23 documents we need to create right now. To confirm we're starting from scratch, let's quickly open a couple of these invoice records. We'll check the files related list. And yes, it looks empty. No invoice documents have been generated or attached yet. This confirms our mission. We need to generate documents for all 23 of these invoices in one powerful click. As we hit the custom Generate Bulk Documents List View button we configured earlier, instantly, DRTE pops up a final confirmation screen. This is the final step before the documents start flying. Click Proceed, and watch the process start. The moment we click Proceed, we are instantly redirected to the DRTE batch process record. This is your command center for the bulk generation. You can immediately see all 23 records in that batch are lined up and actively being processed. Notice the status is updating in near real time. Some of the document content is already built, the merge fields are complete and the data is pulled, and those documents are just moving into the final stage, waiting for the PDF file to be generated. This isn't just a fire and forget. This is a transparent, queue-based system working rapidly in the background. And just like that, in a matter of moments, all 23 records are processed. The batch is complete, the hard work is done, and the documents are generated. Now for the proof. We'll quickly jump back into one of the invoice records we checked earlier. Navigate to the files related list, and there it is, the newly generated invoice document. But the best part? When we open this PDF, you'll see that DRTE successfully performed a dynamic merge, pulling in the specific invoice number, dates, line items, and customer name, content unique to this particular invoice record. We can repeat this for a second invoice, and you'll see completely different, correct, and personalized data. That is the power of DRTE, fast, accurate, and completely native bulk document generation.